Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of designing a sketchy website wireframe. This guide will help you understand the key sections of your website wireframe, including the header, hero section, features component, achievements, testimonial section, the pricing section, FAQ, CTA, footer, and how to link these components together. We're using MockFlow, an excellent wireframing tool, to create this sketchy wireframe. One of its key advantages is the Sketch Website UI Pack, which provides all the essential UI components you need, readily available for your design. The first essential component of your website wireframe is the header, which ensures that users can easily navigate your website. The Sketchy UI Pack includes a ready-to-use header section that you can simply drag and drop into your design. At this stage, provide everyone involved in the design process with an overview of the different sections and pages the header will link to. These will include the key pages and essential information you want users to access. The next crucial section to include in your website is the hero section, which is the first thing your users notice when they come to your website. At this stage of wireframing, focus on conveying the overall structure and key elements rather than fine details. Provide everyone involved with a clear idea of the layout, including essential components like headers, subheaders, and a provision for an image that best represents your business and product. If you've successfully attracted your target audience to your website, they will likely seek more details about your offerings. Therefore, it's a great idea to include a section highlighting the key features of your brand and explaining how it stands out from the competition. The key features section is readily available within the website Sketchy UI Pack in MockFlow. This makes it easy to integrate and customize this element to showcase what sets your brand apart. You can double-click the text components to make edits. While this content is unlikely to be final, it offers a clear idea of the topics and details you'll be covering here in this section. Adding a section that highlights the different results other businesses have achieved with your product, as well as the accolades and achievements your company has received, can significantly enhance your website's credibility. By showcasing success stories and awards, you demonstrate the tangible impact of your product and build trust with potential customers. Nothing builds trust like feedback from satisfied customers who stand by your brand. Incorporating a testimonial section on your website allows you to showcase real experiences and endorsements effectively. Include sections for your customer's name, their picture, the business they represent, and their ratings. This detailed approach helps build credibility and fosters confidence among new users by presenting genuine and relatable endorsements. Pricing is a key factor in the decision-making process for users, so it's essential to present it transparently on your page. Outline the different plans available, detailing what each plan includes and highlighting the differences between monthly and yearly payments. While you don't need to include every detail in low-fidelity wireframes, make sure to incorporate the key sections that convey the most important information effectively. Be proactive in your communication by creating a clear FAQ section that addresses the most common questions users may have. This section will help them gain a better understanding of your product and determine if it aligns with their needs. You want your users to take action on your website, whether it's signing up for your product, subscribing to your newsletter, or something else. To achieve this, a clear call to action is essential. Don't leave your users wondering what to do next. Include a direct and compelling call to action to guide them towards your desired goal. Enhance your user experience by adding a footer to help users navigate important details and pages on your website. It's beneficial to include contact details, privacy policy, social media links, and other relevant information that aligns with your website and business. Once you've added all the necessary sections, your website wireframe will provide a clear overview of the layout. This is an ideal moment to present it to stakeholders and gather their feedback. Their input will be invaluable in refining and enhancing the design before moving forward with high-fidelity mockups. To understand how users will interact with your website, link the components and pages to visualize the user flow. This linking helps you see your basic website prototype in action, giving you valuable insights into user experience. You can see all the links you've added to components or pages in action by clicking the View button at the top of your wireframing editor. If you're ready to create your own website wireframe design, sign up for MockFlow and watch your vision come to life.